In the world of investing and advising, there are many people that give you different strategies, and there's some hard and fast rule that we talk about with savings and investing, that we're saying, okay, you should always do this and you should always do that and you should whatever. So it's never, to me, it's never an always, situation. Always looking for ways to innovate instead of, and stay ahead of the curve is something that you should always be doing, whether it's in your entrepreneurial field, if you're an entrepreneur, whether it's within your own finance, being just a wage earner that's, just your W-2 is not going to be how you're going to live within a financially free life. So you want to make sure that you're always being innovative, you're always staying ahead of the curve, especially in your industry, but also with, different things that are happening in the world, ethics, striving to be inspired and excel in everyday business, everyday life. You want to do that. So, what I personally think is that you definitely, yes, you want to be innovative, but I also believe that money advice is not just one size fit all in the world. So there's no really one set of boilerplate money advice that's designed for the masses. It's always something that you have to customize. Thank you so much for tuning in. As always, feel free to give me a follow to get updated on new and upcoming episodes, and listen in every Tuesday and Thursday, where I teach you smart money habits so you can make better money choices with a financial goal focus.